Should I have prefaced by saying I didn't like needles?
Everything's gonna be fine. Then I have to choose a finger. Which one looks the most plump? I'm getting anxious. I hate this so much. Yeah, the only rule is you're not allowed to like make fun of me in the middle of us doing this.
Why?
Because everyone, like, have you even watched one of my videos?
Hi, I'm Eliana Jalali, and
Okay. Because I have a whole intro.
Okay, great.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a food sensitivity test. This is by Everlywell. I have a friend of mine here / coworker, Azul. We both have been very intrigued by food sensitivity testing. You guys know I've been complaining about stomach issues for forever now, all the time. So I've kind of come up with my own hypothesis of which foods bloat me, make me uncomfortable, just kill me, foods I can't digest. And it's going to be interesting to see if I actually come up sensitive. What is English?
I guess sensitive, yeah, or like intolerant to?
Is that what it says?
Because I don't think this is for allergies.
The reason I have Azul here today with me is I want to talk a little bit about which foods I think that I have an issue with, and she'll say what she thinks she has an issue with, and then we'll be able to see if it picked up those sensitivities with this test. Also, she has a little bit of a nutrition background. Do you want to kind of speak on that?
Oh god, yeah. I went to the Institute of Integrative Nutrition, so I've been working as a health coach, like a holistic health coach for a while now, helping people with like nutrition and lifestyle coaching, and kind of going through all the different nutritional hypotheses out there,
okay,
diets, things like that, and kind of helping people navigate their way through all of this. And one of the biggest things that have been coming up recently, as of a couple years, are these kind of food sensitivity tests. And so it kind of goes into the whole realm of, when you do kind of like those elimination diets and things like that. It's just kind of another tool in your toolbox to try and figure out like what works best for you.
Right.
My mindset with all of this is like, it's amazing and they're great. Take everything with a grain of salt and kind of use it along with, kind of your hypothesis already, what you've taken out, see how you feel. But I do think it's a really good starting point.
First things first, it says that it's going to be testing us on 96 foods for immunoglobulin.
Antibody reactivity.
Yes. So there's a section for dairy, fruits, grains, meat, seafood, seeds and nuts, spice, and vegetables. I mean, do we go get fruit first and like eat some fruit so that it's like fresh in our system and it like notices it? Or
I'm always down for like eating.
Yeah.
So we can do that.
So we should take a snack break.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. We're gonna take a snack break, but we'll bring you with us. So, I have not had cantaloupe since I was 8 years old.
I feel like that's a lie.
Swear to God. My tongue is already itching.
Now I'm scared. I don't have like an EpiPen. Do I get to keep the car? You done?
BMW gets to keep the car. Unfortunately, it does not belong to me.
I may or may not have dropped a piece for it.
It's fine. It's just a loner. What's going on? Why? You lose a piece of watermelon down there? Ow! You find it? Ah! How you doing? I'm very proud. Okay, so what shall we put in our system now? We have some peanuts, but I had some of those yesterday. I don't know if you've had any. Honey roasted is my preferred method of peanut.
No. Does this count as rice?
That's the unhealthy snack store. High fructose corn syrup.
I can smell the chemicals.
Aton, am I allergic to cantaloupe?
Yeah.
So we're back. We've eaten all the things. Now it's time to get into this box and find out what exactly we're supposed to do here. Oh, there's a provide enough blood graph picture jar. Please bleed here
Oh
efficiently.
my god, that looks like a lot. Okay.
Okay, so
We're
first,
fine. Nervous.
prep your space. Open the gauze pad.
I'm gonna get blood everywhere.
Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'll do mine first.
Okay.
Then you can. That's scary.
Shit! Okay.
Okay, so we're not babies. We're gonna do it.
Okay. Prep your space. Open the gauze pad and bandage.
Open the gauze pad and open the bandages.
Did you wash your hands already?
No, that's not the first
Oh.
step. Things are getting serious. I put my hair up in a ponytail.
Is that the needle? It's actually terrifying.
This is scary. Okay. Oh, I opened it all.
That's a lot of blood. I might pass out.
No, you won't. It'll be fine. Eliana. So now, warm up your hands. Rinse your hands with warm water, dry your hands, and then shake them to stimulate blood flow. Then I have to choose a finger. Which one looks the most plump? Let me go warm up my hands.
Maybe you have to shake them down so the blood like goes to your hands.
Just this shake. Also, look, I'm already breaking out in a rash.
Ew, you are.
Look, you can't really see it too much, but there's a rash happening. I'm getting anxious. Use the pricky finger thing.
Twist off the lancet, place your hand on a flat surface, and what the fuck?
And then do what? And then do what? And then press the lancet quickly against the pad of your fingertip. I hate this so much. This is when the video ends.
Press the lancet quickly against the pad of your fingertip.
I'm scared. I'm gonna die. I feel like Rapunzel.
What?
Wait, was it Sleeping Beauty?
You're an idiot. Okay, do it. Ready?
No, I just need to see how it happens.
I think it's kind of like an EpiPen where it just comes out once you...
But I'm squeezing it and nothing's happening.
No, you're not supposed to squeeze it. You just press it onto your finger.
Oh, the white part.
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I don't feel anything. I don't know if anything happened. Nothing happened. Did I not push hard enough?
Press the lancet quickly against the pad of your fingertip.
Ow!
Did it hurt? Like,
yeah!
oh god.
There's so much blood needs to happen! There's just, look, I barely even got any blood out and it's gonna be happening for so long! You're gonna have to do it again! You're sobbing, dude! Because it hurts! I don't want to do it again! There's tears coming down. I didn't press hard enough and then I pressed it and I wasn't expecting it to like make a noise.
Oh god.
You just like have to literally wait here until like your finger just like drips blood.
Let's go like this so blood's flowing to it. Use the extra lancet if you need to apply more blood.
Oh, I'm so excited to use it again. Dude, I think I'm gonna have to do it the fuck again because there's just no more blood coming out of this finger.
Don't.
Is that gonna drip? Oh yeah, it did. Please.
Oh,
That actually worked. Ew.
I can't watch. It's so gross.
But this is the most effective way to get blood out of your finger, just in case anyone was wondering. Pretend you're squeezing a toothpaste
It
ball.
says milk your finger.
Oh!
This.
That's what milking a cow means.
Oh god.
That was great. Okay, let's put this one over here.
I don't know if it's like a good thing that you went first or like a bad thing that you went first, and now I like know what to expect.
I just like severely overreacted.
I feel like you did it and you're just saying that to make me feel better.
I mean,
I'm doing this like to procrastinate and also because it tells me to. Oh God. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I can do this. This is fine. This is fine.
All these are great.
This is fine. This is not fine. Does this happen to everyone? I mean, this has to happen to everyone.
I don't know. I haven't seen if anybody else posted a video of this happening. So it's all great.
No, God. I just jab it.
Yeah, you just like press it. Oh God. The good news is that you don't know when it's actually gonna stab you, so you just keep pushing, and then all of a sudden it just doesn't.
20 minutes later. Oh my God, I can't do it. Okay.
You can do it. You can do it.
I just gotta stab.
You just gotta stab.
Great. That's it. I'm shaking.
Just do it.
It hurts, doesn't it? It really hurts.
It's not hurting yet. Just do it.
Fuck!
We're gonna be Band-Aid buddies.
Oh my God, this is terrifying. Oh my God. Ensue panic attack. Okay, this is fine. We're fine.
Wait, don't do it yet.
Okay. This is fine.
Yeah,
it's gonna be painful for like a second,
and then
it's
it's
gonna go
over.
away.
You got it. You're gonna do it. Now's gonna be the moment. This video's gonna be 3 hours long.
Oh God. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. 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 Oh my God. All right. Fuck! Oh my God, I'm so scared.
Just do it, push!
We're fine. It wasn't that bad. Ow, it was bad. It hurts.
It hurts.
It hurts.
It hurts.
It hurts. It hurts. But it's over.
It hurts.
I'm still shaking.
I am not okay. Yeah, it's like you don't expect it to prick you when it pricks you. I think that's what gives anxiety about it.
I'm like giving way more blood than you did.
Maybe you're just more luscious than I.
It like still kind of hurts.
Yeah, my finger's still throbbing a little.
Fuck you. I'm still shaking.
Put a Band-Aid on.
It hurts. I didn't like that.
So far, we're rating this.
Oh,
Great.
this better be worth it.
You better tell me I'm allergic
still
to everything.
Bleeding.
Put the Band-Aid on.
I have to apply pressure, don't I?
No, you have to put the Band-Aid on and then apply pressure. To be continued.